Alright, a little late to recording. It's been a while. Shorting NVDA. NVIDIA had a couple of bad news yesterday, such as export limitations to or restrictions to China. Um, as you see, the news came out around here, and if you look, it's on the back side. Plus, it was a gap down. Uh, so let's see if I can pull this up. Show trades. Will it show? Yes, it does. Okay, so on the 2 minutes, I'm just gonna let it go. Uh, got in around VWAP. So right here, I was trying to get into VWAP short selling. A little bit of pain right here, but I can see that it was like rejecting this level right here, pre-market level. So if we go on this chart right here, we can see that it was rejecting the 143. So I kept in hold. Unfortunately, it did go over my max, but I was confident enough with it. Like you can see this 5 minute wicks, all these 5 minute wicks, and I got stopped out probably around here. Yep. So got out in case it was rallying. The market was rallying a little bit, and then I noticed it was a VWAP reject again. So I added in the 142. So this is like a big range of like 141s and 142. This one I actually broke my rule. So here I was going to 25, trying to go for a max of 200, and around here the 250. I tried to reset, clicking on this, didn't reset, and just click on buy at 250. So definitely got lucky on there. Down here, I de-risked by taking this first 250 out, and then here, when I saw the pop, I just took it all out just to be safe in case it rips through VWAP, which is possible in this type of market right now. So here, I just added in 50s and 25s, pretty much scaling in. You can see it's like right around the 142 breakdown. So this is a crack right here, and just wrote it down. Starts scaling out. The 140 is a key level, so that's why I was de-risking. People were looking for de-risking, and then right here, I'm just writing it down. I'm probably going to take another 25 out just to take profit. I also did roll out or roll over my put uh, on NVIDIA, so option put. I set it to 115 this time. The reason is, if you look right here, so 140 right here is the support. It's kind of a little hard to see. Let me go this way. Yep. So the key level right here, and 130 looks like it could be. Right now, I think the support will be 135, but we'll see how it goes. 130 will be the next level, but I want to give it a range so I don't have to continuously roll over, because the next one after that is 120, which I believe it can go down even further due to CPI and the PPI. This is literally 2 weeks away from it, so waiting for that. Plus, September is one of the worst months for stocks, so just waiting on that. And that's why I roll it down to about 115, I think, just so to give it range, so I don't have to continuously roll over. So, yeah, let's see where it goes from here. And watching the L2s and price action, there was a lot of stuff earlier. Unfortunately, I forgot about recording, and then when I saw like the huge sizes and like huge buying, I mean there was like 4,000, 10,000s going on size here. Here was like 400s on the bids and 500s on the bids, trying to like defend a certain level. So just was watching that, and then just remember it's like, oh, I should be recording. So let's see where it goes from here. I'm just watching the L2 right now, see where it bounced and such. You can see it was rejecting 139.2, and boom, right there. Now it's trying to fend about the 80s. Yeah, oh, it's cracking. If this goes down to 60s, that means it's going to go further. Stiffening 70s, defending 80s. So let's give it some time to consolidate. Also, stochastics, if you notice, they're all downside. I don't like this on 2 minute. I'm gonna start de-risking again. Let's see, I'm gonna de-risk at, if I can touch 70 again. I'm gonna de-risk right here. So it's rejecting 139 now. Alright, so it went up. It's probably gonna be consolidating for a little bit. Give it time and see what happens. Thinking go further down. So right now 130, yeah, so 135 is the next level I have. But I'm gonna slowly de-risk and just take profit and run, because this is not a market to hold that long. In addition, it's low volume week. Labor Day is Monday, so today is Thursday. And while that goes, I guess I'll talk real quick about my layout. I did change it again. Uh, psychologically, I'm better at a 2 minute and 5 minutes, but I was just trying too many things at once, too much analysis paralysis with like doing bigger time frame. All right, let's see if it will recheck. I will do a full exit pretty soon, actually. Will it reject? Giving a little range. Don't like this freeze. Okay, 90. Alright, is it rejecting? 90. It's not. Still rejecting. Let's see. Alright, 60s, 50s, okay. Yeah, so watching the tape, there's a lot of selling. But I gotta be careful right here. So it's trying to bounce 125 if this is a micro pullback. I doubt it though. If anything, I actually kind of see a potential A, B, C, D on the downside. So here's A, maybe a B, or maybe it just could be a continuous trend, and this would have been just uh, a whippy action to get people to stop out. Okay, nice. Yeah, there's definitely gonna trying to go down. I think I'm gonna de-risk pretty soon. Give it 1 more minute, see how the candle close, or well, 5 seconds. This is 2 minutes, so let's see. Yep, think it's coming down. Nope. A pop. Reject. Still lifting. I'm gonna de-risk. Okay. Yeah, the reason for I de-risk is this kept on popping up, but it did reject. Just didn't want to stay too much where and it just rips up. So keeping 200 now. Uh, looks like it's on a crack. It needs to get down below 60s. No, 59. So the low of day is 59. It needs to crack that. It rejected 139 real quick right there. Just giving it a little time. I don't like these bottom wicks here. I'm uh I'm gonna de-risk again, but this time I'm gonna go in tens. Yep, taking small amounts. Okay. Yeah, so watching the L2 and the price action over here. See what it does. It's 30s. If this can go 20s, it can go more. It just needs more. Oh, there we go. It bounced a little bit. Let's see if there's some momentum to the downside from that. Looking at the other charts, Apple's coming back down. Tesla is testing low, trying to go test low of day. Google just reversed. Amazon testing low of day. VIX is testing 27. Microsoft is testing a key support actually. AMD is going down to 80s. Let's see. QQQ is testing pre-market low of day. I think this is good enough where I can actually just wait all day for it to finish. So 190. All right, and oh, future Nasdaq is out 12,130. If it can go touch 12,000, I doubt it's going to do it today, but if it does, the market is really going to go down, and especially NVDA. Um, ES is trying to test 3,900. So if it cracks that too, it's going to go down. Uh, Dow Jones YM. It is actually testing a psychological level. 3,100. No, 31,200. So if it cracks that one, the next one's 3,100, and we can go further down. Alright, DIA just tested low of day. Actually made it low of day. 313. It's gonna test 313. So I'm gonna hold, and actually gonna do maybe a profit tick around the lows again. This pop, I don't think it's gonna last, because if you look right here, it's struggling to stay above or stay to get to 62, which is the bottom of this candle right here. My stop might be 139 though. 139, I'm probably gonna just take all out, mainly because this is a key level right here. From now it is, but it's struggling to stay. So let's see. Let's see where it goes. I don't like that. Don't like that pop. Okay, so Q's just bounce. I do like this pattern right here though. This 5-minute opening, but it needs to follow through. If it can follow through, just gonna stay, and then hopefully it touches 138.0 and I can take a small profit out. So while I was doing that, I know this might be like a 25-30 minute video, but going back to the layout. Uh, so just to go back to my roots, went back to 2 minute. Ooh, and of course this one's distracting me. And yeah, I'm out. I'm not gonna risk that. Maybe a retake if it rejects it on the after 2 minutes candle is done. But I'm gonna just wait. Might just run from this because if you look right here on the 15 minutes, it had a huge bounce, and then 30 minutes that was a bounce. Could be just like a stop out, but I'm not gonna probably add to it until under 139, and probably going to do small. Just if I give back a little bit, that's fine, but I do not want to risk that too much. Yeah, so going back to the layout real quick, to minimize what I'm not good at and enhance what I'm good at, I went back to my roots. 2 minutes this time instead of 1 minute because 1 minute is just too noisy, and 5 minutes. In my I think my videos from March, I had a 1 minute and 5 minute, and then well, 2 5 minutes. I think one of them was Higanashi, which is not really great for my style at the moment. In this market for me, Higanashi is not great. Okay, I'm gonna take a short right here. I'm probably do 50 at max. So let's see where it goes. If it bumps to 10, I'll take it. If it goes below 39, 139.00, I will add. Okay, it bumped up. I'm gonna add right here because it did pop up a little bit, and I like this right here. That turned red, but still struggling. I think that's yeah, let's not get too greedy or we made so much profit. I don't want to give back, so gonna wait. Let's do $5 loss for max loss on this one. Oh, yeah, let's get out. Done. 4C16 stopped out. If it goes, it goes. Whatever. That's it. That's it for me on this trade. Going back to the layout, so kept the daily. Daily's been working perfectly fine. NVDA, I do a 15-minute and 30-minute just to flip back and forth and see how the market is. And over here, it's the tapes, L2 and such. Yeah, see, it's just stopping. It stopped me out for sure. I'm gonna give one more time, one more shot. Yeah, because AMD is coming down. This is not A plus setup, so I can't. I'm not gonna add too much. Maybe one more. That's it. 100 max. Everything is coming down, so that's why I added. So my lowest here would be 80s. So as long as it's under 80, I'm in SIG up mode now because it's so far from all this up here. Let's see. So 70, I'm just gonna get out and walk away. So it's rejecting 60s, mid 60s. Okay, went down. It bounced 50, so it's okay. Oh, I don't know how 84. Okay, so I just made a few cents. All right, that's it. And yeah, so no more for today. That's it. And yeah, hopefully I can record tomorrow as well. Today I'm recording because I am off of work. Tomorrow I am also off, so let's see if it works. Well, of course it comes down. So, hmm, this is tempting. This is tempting. Yeah. Uh, you know what? I'm gonna change it up because I don't want to give back. Let's go in AMD. AMD looks like it's gonna crack even further. I'm gonna do 50. Yeah, 100 max. That's it. It's a late play, so gotta wait for it to give me the levels. I am not touching NVDA anymore because I'm huge on profit for that one, and I just don't want to give it back. So this one, yeah, if it can crack down 80, it's gonna give quite a nice profit. 80 is psychological, and you can see the daily right here. Let's see if I can do a 30 cents play. Let's see this POS. Yeah, it just bounced 138. So 138 is the new support level. Definitely, it most likely will go down further. But like I said, I don't want to give back all this profit. Let's go back to AMD. Might be a red. If it doesn't, it's rejecting a little bit, so that's fine. There we go. Yep, there's NVDA. It's gonna try and crack now. Yeah, but no. Stick to AMD now. Right, I think AMD is gonna go down all day, so we'll see. A friend just messaged me SOXS. That is inverse of, yeah, that's a long. I will switch over to my IRA account. Let's do one. This might be a chase. This is a chase. So this is my IRA. Gonna give it some time. I think it's gonna be an all-day move. Uh, yeah, so bounce right here. That was my aim. Looks like unfortunately I got 0.1. Yeah, so just give some time. I will set an alarm right here for exit. My IRA account, Roth IRA account doesn't have a whole lot, so I can't really add too much. AMD. Oop, uh-oh. AMD $10. Reject 50s. Yep, reject 50. This 0.2 is not a good sign though. Unless it can crack it. I might be underwater for a bit. Nope. Oop, it's consolidating. Okay. actually cracked. Uh, Very tempting. Partially revenge trade. I am gonna do 50. Yeah, I'm breaking my rules, but looks like it might be an all-day fade still. I'm gonna take that. Hold the pain. 50 only. Looking for 35s. So I will risk. So right now it's 36. I shall risk up to 80. Create alert. There we go. AMD. Think I'm negative on AMD for the year as well. Not as bad as NVIDIA. If it goes 26, I am out. Oh, it did. Shoot. Oh, rejected. Okay. Yeah, people are taking profits right here, so let's give some time. NVIDIA. Huh. There's so much momentum. I'm just gonna add 100 max. That's it, and just let it ride. AMD a little problematic. Needs to turn red. Looks like it's consolidating. I will still get out at probably 20 because I have too many trades going on. AMD, NVIDIA, SOXS on my Roth. All right, I'm out. $6, whatever. Back to NVIDIA. NVIDIA just gonna wait. This one gotta be patient. And then SOXS. Whoops. I should have scalped it. Oh, no, I am still fine. 6 cents. Nope. Let's see. Watching tape. There's a bit of selling. I think this is. Yeah, okay, I don't like that. I will take the 6 cents loss because that's doing that. NVIDIA might be reversing then. So 100. Alright, now that I'm watching it, '50s. Okay, everything is trying to go down again, so it might work. I guess I could have stayed on the inverse ETF, but everything is just overextended to the downside. Plus, SPY just bounced a key level 300. Oh, sorry, 390. Q's just bounced 295s. Everything is on the backside, but you gotta be really cautious on this market. I definitely do like how 15 minutes and 30 minutes look. You can see a big wick at top and then bottom, but it's stalling right here. Let's see, NVIDIA, so the lowest is 39. So right here, I'm gonna hold a little bit. 50, I'm just gonna get out. Oh, guess it did. Oh, rejected. Okay, cool. 40s, 48, 50s, is teeter-tottering. I guess 60s is the better. 63, 64, okay. Let's see, I'm starting to overstay. And out, I don't care, done. That's it. So overtraded now. Definitely broke a lot of rules at the end, but I am running for the rest of the day. All right, have a good one.